Hello, my name is Diana, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, we would like to welcome you to this video on how to file a zero income tax return. You can pause or rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. In order to file your individual income tax return, you need to navigate to Revenue Online using the link Colorado.gov/Revenue Online. Alternatively, you can start on our main taxation website, Tax.Colorado.gov, hover over the Online Services tab, and select Revenue Online from the drop-down menu. From Revenue Online, you want to select the link File an Individual Income Tax Return from the File a Return or PTC Form section. As you can see on my screen, the section is on the top right. On the next screen, you want to select 2021 Individual Income Tax. Read the purpose and eligibility information, and once you are ready to proceed with your filing, click Next on the bottom right. To file using Revenue Online, you must have filed with the Department of Revenue in prior years or have a valid Colorado driver's license. You will need to have a valid email, a Social Security number abbreviated as SSN, or an individual taxpayer identification number abbreviated as ITIN. You will also need your Colorado driver's license number. The next section you will see is the taxpayer information section. All fields marked with the red asterisks must be completed in order to proceed. Be sure to double-check all of your data entry for accuracy. Errors can result in processing delays. Once you have completed the taxpayer information screen and selected Next, you will be taken to the W-2 1099 information page. If you do not have any income information to add at this time, select No and click Next to proceed. This screen is the 104 Income Tax Form screen. If you have zero federal taxable income, you can select the checkbox to verify that your federal adjusted gross income is zero. Review all fields for accuracy, enter in any additions or subtractions, and then select Next to proceed. On the Additional Schedules screen, you can review any additional schedules. If you need to file any additional schedules with your return, select Yes next to the schedule that applies to your situation. If you do not need to file any additional schedules, click Next. This screen will display the tax calculated by the system. In this scenario, our tax is zero because there was zero income reported. Review this screen for accuracy and click Next when you are ready to proceed. If you entered any credits claimed in prior years that are subject to recapture under Colorado law, the credits will be shown on this screen. Next, you will see the Prepayment section. If you made any payments towards your taxes, including but not limited to estimated payments, extension payments, or other prepayments, you may enter that information in this screen. If you did not make any payments, click Next to proceed. This screen will calculate any refunds or taxes due. Pay careful attention to line 27 on this page. If you are filing this return when your federal adjusted gross income is zero, be sure to check the box confirming zero income. You will also see a TABOR refund table on this page. The amounts listed on this page do not correspond to the amounts of Colorado cashback rebates that are resulted as a part of Senate Bill 22-233. Review this page for accuracy and click Next to proceed. If you have any attachments that will support your tax return, you can include them on this screen. If you do not have any attachments, check the appropriate boxes and click Next. You have now arrived at your income tax review screen. Carefully review all information for accuracy, ensuring there are no errors. Verify your mailing address is correct and current. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the appropriate box to designate if you are a paid preparer, a third-party designee, or if you are filing this return on behalf of yourself. Once you have selected the appropriate box, click Next to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure there are no typographical errors with this email, as you will receive an email confirming your return was filed. Once you select Submit, you will be taken to the confirmation page. Print or take a screenshot of this page for your records. Your confirmation number can be used to look up your return at a later date. Select Printable View if you would like to print a copy of the tax return you just filed. You do not need to mail this copy of the return to the Department of Revenue. Sending in a duplicate return can cause processing delays and errors. Once you save your return and confirmation number, you are complete. You may exit Revenue Online. This video is intended to provide assistance to individuals who do not have any state or federal income tax filing requirements, but who wish to file a Colorado income tax return specifically to satisfy the requirements for the Colorado Cashback Tax Rebate. This video does not and is not intended to provide any tax advice regarding state or federal income tax filing requirements, the calculation of federal taxable income, or the determination of state or federal income tax. General information about Colorado income tax can be found online at Tax.Colorado.gov. General guidance regarding federal income tax can be found at IRS.gov. Individuals in need of tax advice regarding their specific situation should consult with their tax advisor. There are a wide variety of resources and tools that are available for you to use if you ever have questions. We have our website, a taxpayer helpline, you can send us an email, or you can schedule an appointment to see someone at one of our local offices, which are located in Colorado Springs, Denver, Fort Collins, Grand Junction, and Pueblo. All of our local offices are now open to the public via walk-in or by appointment, and each of our locations also have drop-off boxes if you ever need to drop off a form. My name is Diana, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue Taxation Division, thank you for watching this video and thank you for being tax compliant.